All right, welcome back to AI Newbie Hub, where we learn, build, and create with AI. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to go over like a quick, a little wrap up of what we've done this month. Uh, I don't know if this is usually done or not. Usually, ain't gonna lie, don't get this far with a YouTube channel, but I really do love this. So we're going to do a little wrap up of what sort of, some of the best things that we've done and so forth. So, um, we've tried a few different programs over the last couple of weeks, and we're going to go and proceed with that. So, with that said, we're going to go ahead and get ready to start here, and I'll see you on the other side.
Hey there, welcome to the hub where we learn and build with AI love. No code, no fear, we got your back. Just hit play, we're on the newbie track. Learn, build, create, let's dive in. It's AI fun, where do we begin?
Okay, guys, welcome back. Okay, we're going to start with my favorite, and we're really going to be diving into this coming up, Chat GPT. Now, from top to bottom, the things it can do and what it just, with the imaging now that it has, it's capable of, this has got to be my favorite LLM. The last few days I have been trying to justify switching to Gemini. And I'll have another video for that. But the ideal that you have these projects over here means a whole lot. They really do. It's just right now they're irreplaceable. And as in Gemini can't do that, and it actually admits it. I'm going to do another video on that. I like Gemini for certain things. I just don't think I love ChatGPT. So, for script writing, brainstorming, everything from tags and such, ChatGPT is my go-to. All right, and then good old ElevenLabs. If you need text to speech, it's where you come. Type it in, have a script, whatever it is. You need something, you need your text turned into speech, you come here. You got many voices that you can choose from, an entire library. You got all these voices. Once again, you can clone your own voice. It's got a free version, so you don't get a whole bunch of credits, but you do get credits. You get, what, I think 30 minutes, like a month or something like that. So if you're doing short videos, they give you like 6 videos. They will turn up to 5,000 characters into something awesome. The best text to speech that they've got out right now. I would definitely recommend ElevenLabs. Leonardo. I'm having trouble with this one. Okay. I love Leonardo. I think it comes up with some awesome images. I mean, you just look at these. They are just fantastic. But it has a problem with words. I mean, this is supposed to say Sun's Fever 83. Just like the sign in back of me. This one does. Sun's Fever 83. That's what it's supposed to say. Beautiful artwork. I love the 3D. These don't say it at all. Um, uh, so, but they look pretty cool, and I love the 3D. So I like Leonardo. I wouldn't use it for text. You get 150 credits a day, so you get 24 pictures. I definitely use it. It's okay with text. It will do things, some things that ChatGPT won't, but ChatGPT has really went to the next level with their imaging. So I use this. It does have a free version. If you want more, go ahead and upgrade. Canva, I use all the time. It has plenty of AI in it. So, sticker makers. It has voice. I don't use it a lot. It does have a lot of integrated AI in it. Make some of the best images, and it has all your sizes, so you can make about anything. It's also got a free version and paid, and so just depending on what you need. I like the program. It's great with design, so I can have a picture created, come over here and make a thumbnail. But again, I'm going to stress this. ChatGPT, I'm going to be looking at seeing what they can do, because ChatGPT has gotten the text down, and that's so big. This one, Opus Clips. Opus Clip takes a video and it will break it down to you and make a short for you, okay? Per se, a short. This is a 1 minute, 2 seconds, and they'll give you voiceover and all that. I've got 3 days to use 72 credits, so I may try this one more time with this video that we're doing today. I'm not saying it's a bad program. I just don't believe, with the way I like to make shorts, that this is the program for me. So you can, they've got different stages. I'll probably do a video on a lot of these programs, what they offer free, what they offer if you pay for them. But Opus Clip, I just don't think it's where our channel needs to go. And so, although it'll take a few minutes to break the video down, that's fine. I think it took like 6 minutes last time, and that is fine. And it gives you the subtitles and all that. I have no problem with that. And it gives you scores on how it would rank, and I'm still waiting until tomorrow to find out how that's going to work. Actually, it came out today. So, with that said, I just don't think I can use it. It's there. It does have a free trial. All the any of these have free trials, or they also have a free tier. So, with that being said, with that being said, that's to me the first four programs definitely what I'd use. The other one I threw in there because we just did that, and I know that some people could use that. So, what have we learned? Prompting. Prompting is important. It is so critical. That is why I would love to learn prompt engineering. The better your prompt, the more detailed your prompt, of course, the better results. It's like anything. If you give it better directions, it can give you a better result. So we're going to work on prompt writing as we go in. The tools aren't magic. It's straight up, they're tools. You still got to guide them. You got to you've got to put in the information. Say, hey, this is what I need you to do. It's still a machine. It's still a tool. They're a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. So I gotta give that. It is a blast so far. You don't think it's too late to jump in. I mean, if you're a beginner and you're watching this video and like, oh, I don't know if I can do it. a lot of this stuff is free. A lot of the LLMs are free. You can use Gemini's all day long. I believe on their free tier now. ChatGPT has free tier. Grok 3, it's the other one I use though. Um, it's free, so don't be afraid to use them. I mean, jump in there. A lot of these Leonardo learn how to prompt images because it's really cool and uh, it's a lot of fun. It's a blast. That to me it's a blast. So if you don't have to be an expert to start this. If it, you know if you're curious about it, jump in. Just load up on your computer, pick something, go. Um, some of them aren't practical. It's like I'm saying for everybody. Opus Clip to me looks like it's a really good program or a good program for some people, but not for me. So you got to pick and choose. Hey, and which way you want to go. I love the LLMs because of the knowledge and now what and the other things they can do. So um, that's where that's how I look at it. So yeah, so there you go. So where we going? I mean, you don't have to use everything. Just try it. But what do you want to get in? Video? Do you want to get into images? Do you want to get into coding? I don't know a lot about coding, so I don't do a lot of that. But I mean, I've heard Claude is real good at that. Gemini's supposed to be real good at that. So just that's what I mean. Um, I mean, everything, voice, visuals, videos, everything can be AI powered now. Um, so, what do they have me want me to say? The most, uh, yeah, the more I use AI, I'm definitely the more I'm impressed with it. It's wild. It's I grew up with a Commodore 64. I was about 11 years old, and so I've been around technology since I was like 11. It's 40 something years. I watched the internet age come. I've dreamt about robots. I remember Jetsons. That was going to be big. Uh, the hell, I ain't coming true now. I mean, look. Oh, hey, look at that. Look at that. There, my AI's talking to me too. Okay, so anyway, there we go. That was just a little kicker. I didn't. I think it's a blast. I'm ready to move on. I really want to check this out. So I hope you are willing to come along for the journey. What we're going to be doing? Uh, ChatGPT would like me to tell you that we're going to be testing video generation tools. I don't know about that. If they're free, I might try one or so, but I've tried the one at I think it's Sora. I tried Sora's. We might do that a little. I'm not going to do a lot of video generation, but that's what it wanted me to tell you. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to probably get into more imaging. I love that. That's so cool what we can do now. We're going to look at some differences between free and pay versions of different AI tools, and just do some comparison. We're going to do a lot of ChatGPT. Just let you know, we're doing a lot of ChatGPT. The more I use it, I really like this. Um, More real world use cases. I guess what it's trying to tell me is saying, hey, I don't know, organizing ideals and things like that. Again, ChatGPT. How can we use it? Um, Even voice, whatever. We're going real use cases that I'm going to be using on the video. So we're going to figure out how to put this stuff in use. It said possibly my first stream or Q&A. Guys, if you watch me, I'm brand new. I plan on going live. I have no problem with that. I love live streams. There probably won't be a lot of Q&A, but if anybody's watching this and you see me live, I definitely answer any question you have. And we get like 100,000 people here, a million people, dog. But I definitely, if I go live, I will talk to you guys. I have no problem with that. Um, I'll keep focusing on tools. Now, see, look, guys, I told you, ChatGPT writes all my scripts. Here's what else they want me to tell you. And I'll keep focusing on tools that are actually useful for beginners, not just shiny toys. Come on, guys. I wouldn't say that, and I'm going to let it know that I would never say that in real life. Uh, anyway, that's what you get when, I just, it tells me sort of what we're going to talk about. I talk about it, and, and there you go. And if you've been following along this month, I do appreciate it. Thank you for being here. We have got March, April coming right around the corner. We got a lot of stuff planned. We're going to continue this. I'm having a blast with this AI. Oh, but you're old. You can't do that. Yeah, well, tough. I like it. This is a blast. So, welcome along. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Leave a comment. Tell me what you thought is your best. Tell me, let me know what you use, what you want me to try. I have no problem with that. So, otherwise, until next time, I hope you all have a good day. Take care, and we will catch you next time.